Hey guys, this is Ashutosh Nirmal and today we are going to unbox Honor 6X. Let's see what's on the box. As you can see, it's made in China, printed with soy ink that is environmental friendly. There are specifications of on box. It's octa-core processor, 4 GB RAM, Android Marshmallow, Emotion UI, 5.5-inch display, dual camera, 4G ready, VoLTE RGO, that is Reliance Jio, fingerprint sensor, and 3340 mAh battery. Let's unbox it. First, we have device Honor 6X. It's wrapped in this plastic. Let's keep it aside and see what else in the box. We have quick start guide from Honor 6X, warranty card. Then we have SIM ejector tool. Beside this, we have a charger, that is 5V 2A simple charger, not a fast charger though, and a micro USB cable. So 5.5-inch Full HD screen covered with 2.5D glass. Notification light indicator at top left corner. Sensors, speaker grill, and 8-megapixel front facing camera, and Honor branding at the bottom. Back side, it has dual camera system. One is 12-megapixel main sensor and second is 2-megapixel sensor for depth, fingerprint scanner, single flash, and Honor branding at the bottom. At the bottom, it has micro USB, one speaker and one microphone. At the top, it has 3.5mm headphone jack and noise cancellation mic. On the left, it has SIM ejector tool where we can insert 2 nano SIMs or 1 micro SD card. On the right side, it has power button and volume rocker. So this phone comes with Kirin 655 octa-core processor, that is 16nm chip. So it should be power efficient. This phone comes in two versions, 3GB 32GB and 4GB 64GB, and you can expand memory with micro SD card. These processors are clocked at 4 cores at 2 GHz and 4 cores at 1.7 GHz. Company said that fingerprint scanner of this phone is unlocked in 0.3 millisecond, that is very fast. So let's check that. It's really fast. Let's check the operating system. As you can see that it's running on EMUI 4.1, that is based on Marshmallow. EMUI 5 will be released later this year, which will be based on Nougat, but we don't know when it will be released. I'll post in-depth review of this phone after using it for some time. So please click like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for future uploads. And press the bell icon so you'll get notification when I upload the video.